Good afternoon everyone, my name is Charlotte Brosnan and welcome to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. I'm so happy to have you with me this afternoon. Remember, you can join us every Friday at 1 p.m. where we'll lead you through some fun and inspiring singing. You can join us from wherever you are, whether you're with your class or you're at home with your family. Let's get started by warming up our voices. Copy me. The beat, the beat, the beat is in my feet. The beat, the beat, the beat is in my feet. The beat is like my heartbeat. The beat is like my heartbeat. The beat never changes. The beat never changes. You can go fast or slow. You can go fast or slow. But the beat stays the same. But the beat stays the same. The beat, the beat, the beat is in my feet. The beat, the beat, the beat is in my feet. The beat is like my heartbeat. The beat is like my heartbeat. The beat never changes. The beat never changes. You can go fast or slow. You can go fast or slow. But the beat stays the same. But the beat stays the same. The beat, the beat, the beat is in my feet. The beat, the beat, the beat is in my feet. The beat is like my heartbeat. The beat is like my heartbeat. The beat never changes. The beat never changes. You can go fast or slow. You can go fast or slow. But the beat stays the same. But the beat stays the same. Very nice. Copy me. Lovely. Now, I want you to imagine you have a magic paintbrush in your hand, and this magic paintbrush makes a sound. So can everyone go for me? Lovely. And we're going to play around with this paintbrush. When the paintbrush goes up high, the pitch goes up high like this. When it goes down low, the pitch goes down low like this. So let's have a go at playing with the pitch, going high and low. Off you go. Lovely. Now, I want you just to have a go at painting anything with your paintbrush. Off you go. Lovely. Very nice. Now, I just want you to copy me. Beep, beep. Very good. Beep, beep, beep. 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 Beep, beep. Beep, beep. My turn. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Lovely. Now I'm going to change the vowel. We're going to do moo, 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 Lovely, very well done. Copy me. V and V. Moo, moo. V, V. Lovely, well done everyone. Now it's time for our song. Our song today is called Viva La Musica. Can everyone say that for me? Viva La Musica. And that translates, that means long live music. It means the same in Italian and Spanish. So let's say Viva La Musica. Viva La Musica. And they don't say music like us, they say music. Can everyone say for me, music? Just like we were doing in our warm-ups. So say for me one more time, Viva La Musica. Viva La Musica. Very nice. I'm going to sing it. I want you to have a listen and then we will learn it. Viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva la musica. So let's have a go at learning the words, learning the song. So say for me one more time. Viva la musica. Viva la musica. So my turn first. I'm going to sing the first bit. It goes like this. Viva, viva la musica. Have a go. Viva, viva la musica. Lovely, let's have another go at that. And viva, viva la musica. Lovely. Now, the second part goes like this. Viva, viva la musica. Have a go. And viva, viva la musica. Lovely, let's have another go at that one. And viva, viva la musica. Very nice. Let's put the first bit and the second bit together. And you might notice in our warm-up when we were doing our face pitching, I started each phrase on when we were doing our face pitching. So the first one starts high, the second phrase is in the middle, and the third phrase is in the is the lower one. So we'll try that in a second, but let's just do the first two to begin with. So, viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Lovely. Let's try and do those two again. Off we go. And viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Then we finish with our lowest phrase. It goes like this. Viva la musica. Have a go. And viva la musica. Let's have one more go at that. And viva la musica. Brilliant. So you'll notice the first first one is high, starts high, the second one starts in the middle, and the third one starts low. So let's have a go at doing that again. So all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva la musica. Very nice. Now let's do it a couple more times, and I'd love us to sing the first one really nice and loud, and then the second one we're going to sing quietly, and I'd like you to sing it with short staccato notes. And the third time I'd like us to go back to sing it nice and loudly with smooth legato notes. So let's see how we do. So make sure you're standing properly on both feet, that your knees aren't locked out. Ready? Off we go. And viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica. Viva la musica. Well done, everyone. That's brilliant. I hope you enjoyed Viva La Musica. That's a great song to sing in classrooms or in singing assemblies or with your choirs. Now, students, I mentioned that Viva La Musica means long live music in both Italian and Spanish. I wonder if you could look up how to say long live music in any other languages. And teachers, this is a great song to put into a 3-part round. And as we did, we explored different textures by singing it nice and smoothly and with staccato notes as well. So give it a go in 2 parts or 3 parts part round. You could also, if you don't feel confident to do that, you could also split your class or assembly into 3 parts, and they can just loop one of the parts. So one of the groups could just loop Viva, viva la musica. Viva, viva la musica, etc. And then you have another group on the middle part and another group on the last part. But always, as always, get student leaders out and they can help you as well. So I hope you have fun exploring this song. Well done, everyone. That was some brilliant singing. Thank you so much for joining me this afternoon. And remember, we're here every Friday at 1 p.m. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of our exciting content. And remember, you can also download our Beyond the Sings resource in the description below, which gives you access to the warm-ups and any extension activities. Thank you so much once again for being with me. Happy singing!